5 foods you need to include in a vegan diet. A vegan diet is one of the healthiest diets you could engage in when it's done properly. On the other hand, some people struggle to find foods that are not only healthy but also tasty and calorie-rich to support their busy lives. Remember that the bulk of calories for most people's diet will come from meat. When these meats are removed from your diet, it's crucial to fill your calorie needs with foods that are rich in protein and healthy fats. Here are 5 foods that it's important to include in your vegan diet. Pumpkin seeds. Hands down, pumpkin seeds are the most underrated and underutilized food source for anyone looking to grow stronger. Not only are pumpkin seeds super healthy because they're loaded with good fats and are high in fiber, but they also contain a very impressive spectrum of amino acids. Pumpkin seeds are especially rich in an amino acid called leucine, which is crucially important in protein signaling after a workout. Pumpkin seeds are nearly 50% protein by weight, and 50 grams per day would provide you with a great source of post-workout protein. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is, perhaps, the king of breakfasts. Vegan or not, it's beneficial to include oatmeal in your nutrition program. Oatmeal contains a very wide spectrum of amino acids, fiber, both soluble and insoluble, and provides a complex source of carbohydrates. Oatmeal will help you feel full and refreshed all day long while being super nutritious. High glucose fruit. This is a food category that's highly beneficial to include in your diet. Eating fruit that is high in glucose, like mangoes, apples, bananas, and guava, is a great way to rapidly replenish muscle glycogen levels. This makes them the perfect post-workout snack to combine with your protein. Fruit will also serve as a major source of micronutrient values in your diet, so ensure that you don't miss this food category. Soy. Over the years, the discussion for soy has been very oppositional. Soy is a bean that has been used for millennia to provide a good source of protein, while being low in fat and carbohydrates. Soy provides a great spectrum of amino acids and is considered a complete protein. Soy also contains a good supply of omega fatty acids, making it a great substitute for fish and other omega-rich meats. Sprouted grains. Traditional bread is made from processed flour and processed wheat. To support your health, consider using sprouted grains instead. Sprouted grains are unique in the sense that they undergo very little processing and are very dense in calories. Sprouted grains are created by germinating the plant and consuming it very early on. This leads to a very dense and nutritious punch that also contains a very low glycemic index and better bioavailability. Include sprouted grains in your grocery list if you are a fan of whole grain bread and nutritious foods. Thriving on a vegan diet. Many people see a vegan diet as one where you cannot eat anything. In contrast, if you are still actively seeking variability in your food choices, you will notice that there is still a huge array of foods you can eat for optimal performance, health, and longevity. In order to thrive on a vegan diet, eat these 5 foods and continue to actively seek other nutrient-rich sources of protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Thanks for watching our video. Please leave a comment, hit the like button, and share our video. Be safe, and stay healthy.